tell me, what are some of the things that you would look for in a floor tile? If you were going to go a floor tile, let's start there.
I think flooring's a big one because you're talking about it's going to be there for a long time. So my trick would be, and I've not long ago tiled throughout my place, so I used it for me, was I nailed it down to about 5 tiles. So I had them, I put them in different rooms of the house because the light was different in every room. So, you know, some rooms they looked a lot darker than others. So, yeah, don't just put it in your tiles in one room, put them throughout the house. And then one of the biggest things I think is people probably don't think about footprints.
Yep.
And so what I did was I'd go in the shower, I'd wet my feet, and then I'd go and stand on each tile and wait for it to dry and then see the you know, how they marked the tiles. Because, you know, I'm not going to lie, in a lot of the displays, you see footprints.
Yeah.
So
I would imagine now, especially with the wet weather, it's probably...
And when they dry, they're obvious footprints. So you're going to have to live with that for a long time. So I really recommend to do that, is do the footprint. And then, you know, even the feel of a tile under your feet, like have bare feet, stand on each tile. Like, for example, you've got your matte tiles, your Lepardo finishes, and I actually went for a Lepardo finish because I liked the feel of it on my feet.
Okay.
And I don't know if it's weird or not, but I actually found...
Hang on, if it's coming from you, hang on.
It could be weird. Okay.
It could be weird.
It could be weird.
It could be weird.
But I found the Lepardo finish not as cold as like the matte finish.
Okay, that's interesting.
I could have been having a hot flush at that moment. I don't know. But I actually don't regret going for my choice. And I think because I did take the time, a lot of people, I think, would just go to the, you know, the display hub and choose their tiles and just think, oh, yeah, that looks nice with that. But they don't think, I think that's the trick, is to actually go take it home and have a play with it.
Yeah.